Okay, 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 okay. Come here, come here, come here, come here. This one. Come here.
Hello everyone. Waves can do a lot. Wash away homes, toss huge ships around, and turn simple journeys into terrifying experiences. When nature unleashes its fury, the ocean reveals its full might. Let's check out some of the most incredible waves in history. Let's get it on. A large fishing boat in the North Atlantic faces turbulent waters, looking like a toy ship. The area is notorious for its unstable weather and powerful currents, making it one of the most challenging maritime routes. Although sailors are always ready for the toughest conditions, the South Ocean's mood caught even the experts off guard.
It's dangerous, right?
The naval patrol boats had to brave the freezing ocean waves in the heart of a 12-point storm, with wave heights soaring above 16 meters. But despite everything, they managed to keep afloat.
Tornado! Tornado! I told you guys! Look!
We're fine. According to radar scope, it's not even coming this way. I'm from Oklahoma. I think I know what a tornado's gonna do. Oh, damn, man, my bad. We should have drove. Hey, I think we're about to die. Man, you think we should pray? I think we're about to meet Jesus. I haven't been that good, man. I'm scared, man. I don't want to go to hell. Lord Jesus, help us! God, wait a minute. I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh, see? I knew we'd survive.
Take a look at this CCTV footage showing a powerful tornado tearing through the front porch in Vero Beach. In July 2024, a devastating flash flood swept through a residential area in Kyrgyzstan, leaving destruction in its wake.
Kauai, the oldest of the main Hawaiian islands, always draws a huge number of tourists. And it's easy to see why. How can you resist visiting a place where nature puts on such stunning water shows?
¡Se lo lleva! ¡Chucha! ¡No!
Ferries usually sail across the Baltic Sea without incident, but in 2019, passengers aboard one of them faced a rough ride as their trip coincided with the onset of a storm. The vessel reached the shore safely, but it was far from a calm journey.
Florida, can you pull your boat up to the grocery store, baby? Look at that.
At a kite festival in Taiwan, a giant kite lifted a 4-year-old girl high into the sky. The crowd watched in shock as she soared with the wind. Thankfully, bystanders acted fast and brought her down safely. A truly breathtaking rescue. You won't believe your eyes. This Indian rickshaw driver is speeding in reverse like it's no big deal. It's insane. This is next-level driving. Check out this shocking moment. A car suddenly crashes right into a pizza shop. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured. Take a look at this footage of a dangerous rock slide that occurred in China in 2023. This house in Himachal Pradesh, India, collapses under the force of heavy rainfall. This landslide happened in Vietnam.
The dinner aboard the ferry traveling from Ireland to France was meant to kick off an exciting journey for all the passengers, but things didn't go as planned. While the ship battled through the rough seas, passengers could barely stay in their seats. Though the captain managed to steer the ship through the waves, the passengers no longer felt the same excitement for the journey.
Ai, que espeta. Que bomba, meu.
It's clear now why surfers from all over the world flock to the Portuguese town of Nazaré. Last December, a German surfer rode a wave nearly 29 meters high there, breaking his own world record. Many tourists visit Iceland to witness huge chunks of glaciers crashing into the water. However, they often forget that when an ice block falls into the water, it triggers massive waves.
Oh my god. You guys are mishold. You have no idea how crazy this is right now. I don't see a tornado with it, but
out this CCTV footage. A woman is sitting outside a coffee shop when two thieves snatch her purse. She quickly chases them down, takes it back, and stops the theft. This kid has Spider-Man level skills. He's defying gravity, hanging on the wall with both hands like it's nothing. This guy was just chilling in the water, lying down, when the police thought he was dead and tried to drag him out. But surprise, he's very much alive, just taking a nap. When you park your car like an idiot, you might lose more than just space. You could lose a corner too.
Дядя психанул. Порвал как тузик-то. Вот так паркуются у нас в Бескудниково.
In Sirajganj, Bangladesh, rising floodwaters slowly pull houses into the river, collapsing their structures under the immense force.
Habis.
Take a look at this CCTV footage capturing the powerful earthquake that struck Nepal in 2015.